The legendary Nürburgring 24 Hours race got off to a roaring start this year, not just with the engines, but also with the world premiere of the new Volkswagen Golf GTI Clubsport. The iconic hot hatch received a significant upgrade, boasting a sharper design, enhanced performance, and exclusive features, all revealed to an enthusiastic crowd of motorsport fans. The new Golf GTI Clubsport makes a bold statement right from the first glance. Its completely redesigned front end features revamped standard LED plus headlights, a first-ever illuminated VW logo at the front, and a large roof spoiler for increased downforce at the rear. The redesigned LED tail light clusters complete the car's more aggressive and distinctive look. The focus on sportiness continues with the new 19-inch Queenstown alloy wheels. Their design, featuring 5 oval semicircles, pays homage to the classic Detroit wheel introduced on the 5th-generation Golf GTI. For those seeking even lighter weight, a new 19-inch Warmanoff forged wheel option is available. These wheels weigh a mere 8 kg per rim, significantly reducing unsprung mass and optimizing overall performance. The upgrades extend far beyond aesthetics. Inside the Golf GTI Clubsport, the cabin is designed with both performance and comfort in mind. A newly developed multifunction leather sports steering wheel puts various functions and systems at the driver's fingertips, promoting a focused driving experience. Additionally, a new infotainment system with intuitive controls allows drivers to concentrate on the road ahead without unnecessary distractions. Further enhancing the driving experience is the integration of the new IDA voice assistant with ChatGPT integration. This advanced system offers a natural way for drivers to interact with the car's features, keeping their hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. The heart of the Golf GTI Clubsport lies in its impressive engine. The GTI turbocharged engine, EA888LK3 Evo 4, delivers a mighty 300 PS, 221 kilowatts, and 400 Nm of torque. This translates to exhilarating acceleration, with the car reaching 100 km per hour from a standstill in just 5.6 seconds. The electronically limited top speed of 250 km per hour can be further pushed to 267 km per hour with the optional race package. For those seeking an even more track-focused experience, the Golf GTI Clubsport boasts an exclusive special driving profile. This profile tailors relevant systems to the unique characteristics of the Nürburgring track. By adjusting the DCC adaptive chassis control in the Vehicle Dynamics Manager, the car compensates for the Nordschleif's infamous undulations, maximizing performance. The unveiling of the Golf GTI Clubsport wasn't the only way Volkswagen celebrated its legendary hatchback at the Nürburgring. The 24-hour race weekend also served as a tribute to the 50-year legacy of the Golf. The Max Cruise Racing team participated in the event with a specially prepared 256 kilowatts, 348 PS, Golf GTI Clubsport 24H, driven by a team of experienced racers. Additionally, fans were treated to a showcase of 3 classic first-generation Golf GTIs at the 24H Classic, a prelude to the main race. These historic vehicles, a Golf GTI 16S Oettinger, a 78 Series Golf GTI Kame, and an 80 Series Golf GTI in a special 50 Years of Golf design, were driven by the KWL Motorsport team, reminding everyone of the rich motorsport heritage of the iconic hatchback. The world premiere of the Golf GTI Clubsport marks a significant moment for Volkswagen. Not only does it showcase the brand's commitment to innovation and performance, but it also celebrates the enduring legacy of the Golf, a car that has captured the hearts of driving enthusiasts for 5 decades.